Hey my loves, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to do a little bit something different. Okay, so I follow AlexisJada, I'll leave a link below, and her husband Rudy did a DIY for her and is actually putting lights around a mirror. Instead of paying like $1,000 or $700 for a light up mirror, we're gonna light up this mirror. I got the lights from Amazon. I literally just clicked her link below and got the exact same mirror. Not the exact same mirror, but the exact same lights. I had this mirror for a long time. I got it from Walmart. So that also saved me a little bit more on this DIY than her original. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. And I also have my little sister here with me. Say hey, Carmen.
Hey. Oh,
I'll keep it that. She's embarrassing. Oh God, that's so funny. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm so Amber Strolling it right now. I lay the mirror out, maybe a little dirty, don't at me, and I put everything right here. It came in this little box. And it's the lights, rolled up, the battery with the lights. Well, not the battery. What is this? The controller, duh. And then like the plug-in, some hanging stuff, but I'm not gonna hang it. And it came with the alcohol pad. So the first thing we're gonna do is actually like wipe it down so it'll be easier for this to stick. Honestly, I'm just gonna wipe down the edges because that's where it's going wrong. That's exactly what Rudy did. This side?
yeah.
Let me see if it's... Well, yeah, it fits. Alright. I'm gonna try to move some stuff out the way. When he said, when you put the lights on the mirror, make sure you go a little bit at a time. It is an adhesive, so that what makes them stick. Alright. Here goes nothing. I'm gonna try to get it as perfect and straight as I can. Come on. And like really get it down. Okay. All right. So start off on that very out of edge. I may get on the floor. So I'm going this way, so I need to put it this way. Again, I'm putting on the outermost edge. Okay. And I know how to do that. I'm scared. Carmen, I'm scared. Oh! Girl. Okay. Stop being a wuss. You said go very slow. And make sure it's down. Okay. And he also said not to press too much on the light part, but still make sure like it's no bubbles or anything. So I basically just flipped it back and folded it. I know I messed up, but at this point, I really got stressed out from it. Hopefully I do better on the other sides. I'm just gonna kind of fold that in and press down on the sides. Hopefully y'all can see this. If not, I'm definitely gonna link her video below. Sorry. Honestly cannot talk ever. And like I'm going on the sides again. I'm taking my time. Because like Rudy said, it is not a race. And I'm making sure I'm pressing down, but not too hard to where I mess up the lights. Honestly, I'm gonna turn it on to make sure I didn't mess it up. And I messed it up.
Well, it's been a great day today. Can't wait for more.
Girl, Carmen,
What?
I honestly can't see. I'm still blind. Hold on. I need sunglasses. I'm actually gonna pick it up and put it on my leg for more accuracy. I don't think it's gonna be enough. Okay, light check. All right, take it off. So now I'm about to do another corner. Make sure it's still on.
What?
All right, take it off. Okay, so this is actually the final look of it, but because of this corner and that I bent it too much, if it moves like a certain way, it goes off. But like if I keep it in that certain area, it comes back on. And if it goes off, like this whole part goes off. So that's the only thing, but it was long enough. Okay, so yeah. But honestly, whenever I get like a chance to get some more other lights, which is just on Amazon. See, it just went out. But when I get a chance to get some more, I'm gonna redo it. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna hold on. Put some tape on that to just like mark it down. So that is all for my video today. You had a DIY and 2 mental breakdowns, but those was off camera. So come here, Carmen.
Use this sticky thing in here.
So again, that is all for our video today, and this is my sister. Look at the camera.
I can't see.
Carmen. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.